Okay, anyway. So guys, so here we go guys. We count to 3. Okay, here we go. 1. I said don't cover your eyes. Everybody look here, hands down. Okay? We do this together now, Chandra, ha? Chandra, okay? Here's my hand too. Yan ha. Dalawa na kami ha. Ready? Sa ilalim ako. Much better, Chandra. Ma'am, move forward a little bit. You hold your hand, ha? Nalaglag sa ulit mo, ha?